The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has announced plans to partner with the Nigerian Correctional Service to facilitate voting rights for eligible inmates in future elections. INEC Chairman Prof Mahmood Yakubu, who made this known during a courtesy visit by the Comptroller General of the Nigerian Correctional Service, Sylvester Nwakuche, at the Commission's headquarters in Abuja, described the initiative as a step towards addressing the long-standing issue of inmates' disenfranchisement. He said, voting is a fundamental human right that should not be denied simply because a person is in custody, especially those who are awaiting trial.
As we are aware, election is a process governed by law. Again, working together, we can seize the opportunity of the ongoing electoral reform for a clear legal provision that will specifically cover citizens serving time in our correctional facilities. Doing so will clarify the provision of Section 12, subsection 1E of the Electoral Act 2022 on voter registration, a precondition for voting in elections, which is restricted at the moment to Nigerian citizens who are not subject to any legal incapacity to vote under any law, rule, or regulation in force in Nigeria.
Professor Yakubu, however, emphasized the need for legal clarity on the matter, noting that the constitutional interpretation or legislative amendments may be required to enable full electoral participation for inmates.
There are various interpretations as to whether this provision relates to inmates on death row or those serving life sentence or those convicted for treason. Our immediate task is to engage the National Assembly for a clear legal provision on inmate voting. Thereafter, we can address the specific issues that may arise in the course of implementation.
In his remarks, the Comptroller General, Nwakuche, called on INEC to support efforts aimed at overcoming the legal and technical barriers to implementing inmate voting.
The inmates of this great nation, I represent them as the Comptroller General of Corrections. Over 81,000 of them, of which over 66% are awaiting trial persons who are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Even while as convicts or awaiting trial persons, they do have rights. Therefore, the mere fact that they are in incarceration, we should not deny them the right to vote because they are citizens of this great country.
He revealed that of the over 81,000 inmates currently in the correctional facilities across the country, more than 66% are awaiting trial and under Nigerian law are presumed innocent. CNN News.